Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Straight Talk series. I am that African skin Gertrude Darko. So today's episode is on the accent. Hey.
Kill my vibe, kill the mood. I'm on no lure by my side. Nobody can change my prophecy. I like the way I'm feeling now.
Today's episode is on the essence of learning a new language. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, okay? And leave a lovely comment for me. Alright, let's get into it. So I'm going to start with a definition of a language. Language is a structured system of communication between humans. It can be in a form of verbal language or signs. Language has existed for decades, for years, for millennials. And in the olden days, if people couldn't communicate in the same language as other people, luckily that's not the case today, but it is still important to learn a new language. I personally, I didn't know the importance of language before I came to the Netherlands. I had the opportunity to learn French, but I didn't take it so serious. I just learned it for my exam, and after that I just brushed it aside. But when I came to Netherlands and I started noticing that there are a few French words, borrowed French words in the Dutch language, I really regretted not taking French seriously, because probably I'll be rattling in French. But now, yes, I speak very basic French. And why should you learn a new language? Obviously because the world is moving forward and it is easier to communicate with people in multiple language, especially when English is not the only official language currently in the world. Spanish is one. I think French is also one. And so that is why you should learn a new language. Also, if you like to travel or you love to travel, especially around the globe, then it's essential to learn a new language, especially when you're going to places where corruption is prevalent. Knowing one or two words can keep bad people off your back. 3, it is essential for education. If you are going to study in another country, you definitely need to be able to communicate in their language. If you want to work, especially in the tourism field and the catering and the hotel, restaurants, everything to do with tourism and service to people, it is very crucial and critical to learn a new language. And when I say learn a new language, it doesn't necessarily have to be an international language. You can even learn a language of another tribe in your country. It is very essential. It is very important because it can get you out of trouble, and lots of socialites in the world who live fake lives speak lots of languages, and that's why people tend to trust them more easily. And so learn a new language. For me personally, I am fortunate to be able to be learning or speaking 5 languages currently. So I speak 3: English, Dutch, I am learning German and Spanish as well. I would love to learn Japanese or Italian, a little bit Arabic, but for now I'm just focusing on these 5 languages and building on it. I would also love to relearn French if I have the opportunity. So how best can you learn a new language? Okay, the best method is by communicating with people from that country, and asking them questions. And also what I notice helps me is writing down phrases and writing down sentences, and also verbs and nouns, and trying to construct my own sentences. And when it's wrong, I get corrected by these people who know more about this language. Also, thanks to internet and thanks to technology, there are websites and applications that you can use to learn a new language, from Boompo to Duolingo to Babbel, etc. There are also lots of websites that offer free language courses. And so if you are lucky to have access to internet or Wi-Fi or data, whatever, go online, go to Google, type in free language courses and learn a new language today. Languages that I would recommend you to learn, of course, if you are from a French country, English; if you're from an English country, French, Spanish, German. You can also learn Italian, which is not really popular but also nice to learn. Arabic is also very dominating. You can learn Japanese. You can learn also local languages for Ghanaians. You can learn Ewer, you can learn Ga, you can learn Fanti, Gapem, Santitri, Dagomba. It is endless. Languages are just endless in this way. Sorry guys, I had to switch to my telephone camera because my battery died. Okay, my camera battery died. And so as I was saying, there are endless opportunities, endless languages in the world to learn from. And so today, learn a new language, alright? So I'm going to start by introducing myself in 6 different languages. Hi, my name is Gertrude Darko. Hoi, ik ben Gertrude Darko. Hallo, ik ben Gertrude Darko. Bonjour, je m'appelle Gertrude Darko. Hola, mi llamo Gertrude Darko. And now, akwaba midinde Gertrude Darko. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it, and leave a lovely comment. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. Thank you for watching this video. Before I go, just remember to be you, do you, know your worth, live life, do the finest things in life, love God, and aim for space. And I will definitely see you on another video. Ciao!